Thank you to ZESTIGREENS for gifting me this microgreens growing kit to try out so I can show it to you. You're going to want to put the insert in the beautiful bamboo tray and put the hemp growing medium on top and tuck it in to the side. After soaking your seeds for a little bit, you can pour them on. I'm using the mixed salad microgreens, which have kale, arugula, cabbage, and sound wonderful. The kit also comes with a broccoli microgreens as well. So then you're going to want to pour 2.5 cups of water and get it all nice and wet. And the good thing about this kit is you don't have to water it. I'm super excited to be growing these microgreens because I love growing things. And microgreens are so good for you. So now that we've got it nice and wet, we are going to pour our soaked seeds and try to get them all out. And we have some stuck in there. And get them all out. And then we're going to spread them out. Spread them out real good. And once you have them all nice and spread out, you're going to want to cover them up for 3 days. And then you can uncover them. And we will come back in 3 days and show you how they look and continue on. Now, after 3 days, the microgreens have been uncovered, and now I'm going to put them in natural light. My microgreens are finally done. I'm very happy. My only tip is just look at the booklet. The instructions are very easy to follow, and I can't wait to try it again. I'm going to compost the hemp mat after I cut them all. I'm going to make a big salad. Just look at them. If I had to do it over again, I would have spread them out a little bit better. But otherwise, they have come out just absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I'm very happy. Microgreens are very nutritious, fun to grow, and I intend to keep doing it again and again. And I would recommend it for just anyone, kids, adults, because it is a lot of fun and it's actually pretty easy, especially after the first time, and then you know. But the directions are so easy to follow. So I'd highly recommend this. It's just great fun and very productive.